in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to block all senders except people you've added to your contact list on your AOL Mail client. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up AOL Mail and select the settings gear button up at the top right, and then go down and select where it says more settings. On the left side, select security and privacy. And then where it says block all senders except contacts, go ahead and click inside that oval to toggle it on, and that will block everyone except for contacts. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.